It is Sunday night, and for dinner tonight we are having Stouffer's frozen lasagna. Not what I planned on cooking tonight, but we will talk about that tomorrow. So anyway, we got our lasagna, and then we just have a side salad with some mandarin oranges on it, some ranch, and then some of these fresh gourmet Italian seasoned croutons. So that is dinner for tonight. It is Monday, and for dinner tonight we are going to have this boneless pork roast carnitas. Now, I was going to make this last night, but I didn't pay that much attention to the directions. So it says for the crock pot, but I didn't put it out in time last night to put it in the crock pot, so I just saw that you could make it in the oven. Well, I didn't really read it that well, but it says to cook in the oven for 4 hours. Well, we didn't want to wait 4 hours to eat it. So I'm going to put it in the crock pot today. It says to place in slow cooker with 1 inch of water on high for 4 hours. So that's what we are going to do. Okay, here is our pork roast. I just pulled it out of the crock pot and I shredded it up. I did give it a taste. It tastes pretty good. So I'm going to plate these up in tacos. Hey, here are our pork tacos. There you are, Sammy. Now I can see you. My little helper. There's Mr. Clean.
Yeah, he kind of does almost look like Mr. Clean.
That's what I used to put on my
Owen is just having some chicken noodle soup because he had his braces turned today, so his mouth is a little bit sore. There's Mama's big boy. Yeah, look at that face. It is Thursday night, and for dinner tonight we are having 20-minute skillet sausage and veggies. I'm trying a new recipe today. So we need 2 medium zucchini, the recipe calls for 4 already cooked sausages. Doesn't say what kind, so I got this Johnsonville 3-cheese Italian style chicken sausage, and it says it has cheese, red bell peppers, and garlic in it. So we are just going to slice them in coin shapes. You can see the cheese inside of them and the bell peppers. So I have a tablespoon of olive oil in my pan. I'm just going to add in the sausage. The sausage is already cooked, so all you have to do is just warm it through. Sausage is warmed through, so I just put it on a plate on a napkin so that it can drain some of the oil off. It smells really good. I have a cup of onion that I had already chopped up and it was in the freezer, as well as some bell pepper and our zucchini. Got half a teaspoon of basil, half a teaspoon of oregano, quarter teaspoon of onion powder, quarter teaspoon of garlic powder, and some pepper. And we're going to stir it up. Okay, our zucchini is tender, so I just turned the stove down to low. I'm going to add back in my sausage so that that can warm back up. As I make a mess, I'm going to put the lid back on and I'm going to turn the stove off. And then we'll just let the heat warm the sausage back up. Okay, here is our dinner. I just made a little bit of rice to go with it. So let's see how it tastes. It is Friday and I'm getting dinner in the crock pot. We are having ranch chicken tacos. Last night we had the skillet sausage and veggies. Everybody was really happy with that dinner. The sausage was great. I thought it had a lot of flavor and I will be buying that sausage again. We were pretty happy with it. So I have 4 chicken breasts in the crock pot. I like to use 4 because it gives us leftovers for the next night. I am going to add in about a 1/4 cup of taco seasoning. And I just get mine from Costco in the big container. I'm running low, so I'm going to have to order some more. I'm going to use 1 ranch packet. I have 1 can of chicken broth. And we are going to put the lid on this and we are going to cook it on high for 6 hours. Here is our chicken meat for our tacos, all shredded up. Now we are just going to build our tacos. Here are my chicken tacos. Everybody else has their plates. They're looking for a movie to watch because it is dinner and a movie tonight.